Good morning, everyone. I know the fact that we are all getting scared and emotional when we are reminded of getting into college, as we all really fear it. So here's my reminder: if we get so emotional and frightened because of entering college, don't worry, because at least for now, we already have our diploma to wipe our tears into. Once again, greetings, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our college president, Professor Roberto Macalinaw, and his wife, and his very beautiful wife, Mrs. Elma M. Macalinaw, our college director, Professor John Pancho Macalinaw, and his wife, Professor John Christine Macalinaw. And to Professor Miguel M. Rivera, the head of finance department, and her husband, Mr. Christian Rivera. Our senior high school principal, Dr. Eric D. Castillo, and our assistant